Get your taste buds ready. The Noodle Bar is heating up the LD kitchen.
That's right. Chef Dane is here, and I'm so excited. It smells amazing. What are we making?
So this is our Birria Udon. It is a fusion dish. Birria is a Mexican dish. I wanted to put it with our Japanese udon noodles because I think it tastes really good and it's just a fun way to introduce Birria to people who've never had it.
Now, what kind of noodles are those?
They're udon, so they're like thicker noodles that have a chew. We got our noodles made by a Japanese family that owns Sun Noodle, really good quality noodles.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
So what have you been up to so far?
So I'm just getting it ready right now. So I got the birria meat that we cook for 6 hours, and it cooks in the consomme, the broth that it's in. It's a bunch of aromatics in there. I'm sure you guys smell it right now.
No, I do. I was about to say.
It smells
We talk about
amazing.
smell vision all the time. We
We
wish
wish
that we
the
could
viewers
just send
could
it.
smell.
Yeah.
This smells really, really good.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Do you use any
Appreciate it.
different kind of spices, herbs?
Yeah, so I can tell you a few. 3 different chili peppers. There's cinnamon sticks. There's clove. Garlic. Just a bunch of different stuff that just smells and tastes really good.
Any secrets you're willing to spill here on Living Dayton?
I mean, we do like to spill secrets.
We do,
You
we
know,
do.
I don't really like telling people my secrets.
That's okay,
I don't
yeah.
want people
Keep it to
copying
yourself.
all the way. You can try to mimic it, but you're
Okay,
not
that's
gonna
fair.
get.
He
you're not
said try to
It's
make
that
got it.
special taste to
Yeah,
it.
for
That's
sure.
what makes it
And
special.
Chef Dane made. That's the secret.
Yeah,
right
that's
there.
the secret right there. Now, where do we start with this? What are we gonna do with this?
So once it gets going, it's pretty much just gonna go in the bowl, and I'm gonna hit it with our toppings. But right now, we got the noodles, the meat, and the consomme just getting hot right now. And
It smells amazing.
It does. It smells amazing. So this is your first time in the Living Dayton kitchen.
Yes,
So
welcome.
introduce yourself to viewers. Let's talk about the Noodle Bar itself.
yeah, I'm Chef Dane. The Noodle Bar is my interpretation of just Asian cuisine and everything I've grown up learning. I used to live with guys from Laos, which is between Vietnam and Thailand, and they taught me kind of everything I know. So we do everything from Thai noodles to Japanese noodles to Korean dishes. We do our Japanese bao buns. We do our Korean Asian cucumber salad. We do ramen. We do our drunk noodles, which is a Thai dish. Crab rangoons, but we use pimento cheese and real crab.
Ooh.
Asian street corn, which is our play on Mexican street corn. So it's all these Japanese ingredients on there is too much to name, but we just kind of do fun things with Asian food.
That does.
I
sound
feel like
good.
that you would like the crab rangoon.
Ooh,
Oh,
the
yeah.
crab right up my alley.
You were
People love
speaking
them.
Caroline's love language right
Yeah.
there.
Especially with seafood.
Oh yeah, you will love it. for
Especially with
sure.
seafood. So what's your favorite thing on the menu?
Currently the Japanese fried chicken bao buns, and I would have to say probably the khao soi, which is a northern Thai curry dish.
Oh, we've got to try that out.
Yeah.
I gotta try everything on this menu. We're gonna get in a quick commercial break, but we're gonna be back with much more from the Noodle Bar, so stick with us. Welcome back to the LD Kitchen. We're spicing things up with the Noodle Bar.
That's right. King Chef Dane is here in the kitchen, and we've just been yip-yapping over the break.
really
He's been
have.
hard at work. He's been hard at work. So catch us up. What's the next step with this?
All right, I'm gonna plate it now, and I'm gonna hit it with our garnishes, and let y'all try it.
It really is that simple.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
We make things easy. We do all the prep work in the mornings.
Oh,
That's
good.
fair.
Even better.
That makes it easy.
All right.
Now with this, do you guys do any substitutions on any
So
of your items?
I will say this. This is the spot that we really don't make too many substitutions because we want to kind of stay true to what the culture's cuisine is and I would like to, but it's hard to make substitutions sometimes on some of these dishes.
Oh,
so,
sure, 100%.
Especially because it's artwork.
Yeah,
Once you
exactly.
work in the restaurant industry, you get that.
Exactly.
Yeah, you get that. So what are we topping with?
All right, so this is just some sliced red onion. So this is what you would get with birria tacos. So you get cilantro, you get red onion.
Do you have birria tacos?
No, I did have birria grilled cheese at my other spot though.
Oh, okay, okay.
That was
That
real
does sound good.
popular.
I say birria tacos. That sounds good.
It does sound good.
Yeah.
Everything sounds good.
And a little lime right there,
Ta-da!
and that's it. And yeah, it's basically birria
I'm going in
tacos,
for it.
but
I know.
noodle version. So please.
I'm gonna burn my.
Dig in.
No,
Yeah,
I
it's
know.
really
my
hot.
tongue.
We'll let it cool off just a hair,
Yeah.
just a hair. So you ran through some of your other menu items. What do you think will be hot this summer? What's the most popular items?
Good question.
So the street corn is real popular right now because it's corn season, and I'm about to get my corn from a local farm near Dayton, so that's really cool. That and our is it really hot? That and our
That's
drunk
fine.
nudes is our most two popular things right now. The drunk noodles is like a stir-fried, savory noodle dish.
Ooh, that sounds
Yeah,
really
so it's
good.
not like brothy at all.
Two things. One, that's funny.
That's amazing.
Two, that is really good.
Thank you, I
I'm
appreciate
definitely
it.
picking up
Spices.
some spice in there,
Yeah.
I was going to say.
There's definitely some heat in the background. Like I said, it's those street chilies we
Do you
got
like
in
to
there.
incorporate a lot of spice in
Oh
some
yeah,
food? Yeah,
for sure. Yeah,
absolutely.
wake the palate up.
But when you say heat, what I'm learning is that like it's not. I'm not a fan of spice. I don't do heat, but I do this because
Yeah.
it's not like annihilating.
blends.
Right,
yes,
right.
yes.
It blends.
It just creates like that flavor. That tastes really good.
appreciate
No.
that.
Chef
Thank
D,
you.
look at
Thank
you. That tastes good.
Now, one thing you mentioned that I think is unique. Do you try to focus on localizing the stuff you get, the products
For
you get?
sure, yeah. From my beef farmers to the produce, as much as I can. Obviously, we live in Ohio, so certain things I can't get, like seafood, obviously, and certain ingredients. But I try to support as much as I can. You know, a lot of our people around Dayton just working hard.
A lot of good people.
Yeah,
So
lot of good
people want to
people.
stop by, get the Noodle Bar. Where can they find you at?
So we at the Silos. It's at 810 East First Street. Come down. We're open 6 days a week. Only close on Mondays, and we're open till 9 on weekdays, and we close at 10 on weekends.
Okay, perfect. You got to stay up to date with them on social media. We've got the information right there on your screen. You got to go check out the Noodle Bar at the Silos. Dane, you are a blessing. It was so great meeting you today.
It's a pleasure meeting y'all. Thank you so much.
Of course.